I'm in school. Should I focus on girls or get money and self-improve? School, money, self-improvement are always your top priorities. Girls shouldn't be your priority whatsoever. Especially if you don't have a girl, if you're not talking to a girl, girls should not be a priority. Girls come in the picture when you're focused on priorities. What do I mean by that? When I would go DoorDash because my main priority was because my main priority was hitting a certain dollar amount a week, because my main priority was stacking up my savings and paying off debt and starting an investment account. My main priority was making money, so I was DoorDashing. And when I would DoorDash and go to these restaurants, when I would see girls in public, that was my opportunity to talk to girls. If I was going to go visit my friends at a college campus, that was my opportunity to talk to girls. I am not waking up thinking, where do I need to go today to go talk to a girl? Thanks for the follow. Fredo. Thanks for the follow. Swaggo, I got a question. Low-key in this situation, there's a girl I genuinely like. We talked as friends. Ask the question. Let me tell y'all one thing, chat. One thing I know, I need y'all to listen to this. Get straight to the point. If you got a question, ask the question. If I ask for a backstory, get straight to the point. Only give me the information that I need. I don't need a whole picture. If you tell me something and I don't know, then I will ask. I don't need the whole picture. Get to the point. What question do you have? How do I improve my word of choice? So you can improve anything by being intentional with it. So a lot of people say writing and reading and speaking. I've noticed a difference. I can't 100% say that it's from writing, reading, and speaking. However, I can't say it's not, because I've been writing, reading, and speaking, and I've gotten better with it. So I would say writing, reading, and speaking, but more than anything is being intentional. So when I wanted to get more impactful with my words, I actually started paying attention to the words people use to paint a picture. And it comes to a point where I like to speak in analogies now because it makes everything easier to understand. And I learned that from just trying to improve my content, but also trying to improve my ability to teach, trying to improve my ability to communicate and to connect with you guys listening. So a lot of the videos that I post, they've been doing very well because I've been articulating my words very well and breaking down concepts to the point where it's very digestible and very understandable. You see how I use the word digestible? When you think of the word digest or digestible, we think about the food. It's easy to break down. Instead of saying it's easy to break down, I use the word digestible. It's all about painting a picture with your words, and you can do that a lot with analogies. How to keep it P. You keep it P, I don't want to say by being nonchalant. I like to keep it P by caring about things and worrying about things that are in my control, and not worrying and not caring about things that are out of my control. Right? If a girl is not my girlfriend, I can't control whether she talked to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other guys. That's out of my control. And quite frankly, that's not my girl. I'm not entitled to anything. I shouldn't worry about that. And that's where that P mentality comes from. That's what being a P is like. It's like, I'm keeping it P. I'm keeping it player. Like, you can talk to as many guys as you want at the end of the day. And then that confidence to where it's like, you can talk to as many guys as you want. I'm still the best nigga. And I don't have to tell you I'm the best nigga. I can literally just show you. I can make you feel like I'm the best nigga just by being myself, because I truly am the best nigga. I really believe that. I move like that. I walk like that. And I talk like that. Writing helps a lot. Read fiction books too. Most of them have a lot of detail, which will help you. Yes, and I think listening to R&B music. Boy, music in general, but R&B music, I like listening to like love music. So it could be R&B music. It could be like a rap song, like a rapper that's really spitting. Like Wale is a great rapper. That's like a not a pretty boy, but like a ladies man. Like I like listening to like ladies man. Like even listening to 80s jazz and R&B, 90s jazz and R&B. Like the way the ladies men talk, the way they singing about their girls and painting pictures with their words. Like I like that. Chris Brown, Another Round is a good song. It's something about that song that I really like. Lotus Flower Bomb. That Way. Like these are songs I really like. Where I'm from Maryland. I'm on Patreon. I didn't see any vids on that. That's why I asked. Vids on what? I can really make one. How to keep it P. I mean, I think the whole Patreon is to become a P for real. Writing helps a lot. Oh, you already went over that. All right, chat. Hey, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you have any questions, well, I mean, you gotta wait till next week. Write it down. Join the one-on-one calls next week so I can talk to you one-on-one, answer your question one-on-one. If you haven't, join the Discord. The Discord link is in my bio. If you want to learn how to get a girl, if you want to learn more about getting girls, check out any of my products. Literally, just check out the links in my bio. I got a magnetic mouthpiece to help you with your speaking and your conversation skills. I got a Conquering Confidence course that helps you build your confidence. And I have a Patreon, the Players Club Patreon, to really let you know like how to keep it P, how to talk to a girl, you know, how to understand women, how to, you know what I'm saying, find the right girl, how to always know what to say, shit like that. So check it out if that's what you want to know. Link is in my bio. I'll catch y'all boys next Thursday.